Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by preparing the leg and the stocking for the only way method. Measure thigh circumference and length accurately in inches and centimeters before you begin. Choose the correct compression level, for example 20-30 mm Hg, and confirm the size. Remove jewelry and wash hands to protect the fabric. Inspect the stocking carefully for runs, snags, or holes. Lay the stocking flat with the seam aligned and the opening easily accessible. Turn the stocking inside out down to the heel pocket before inserting the foot. Slide your toes into the toe area and ensure the heel aligns in the heel pocket. Pull the stocking up to the ankle, smoothing as you go in 3 to 4 inch sections. Continue advancing the fabric with both hands, rotating minimal fabric to avoid twisting. Stop and smooth wrinkles with flat palms as you move the stocking toward the thigh. Once the stocking reaches the thigh, smooth all wrinkles and check the fit carefully. Ensure there is about 1/2 inch of toe space remaining at the tip for comfort. Confirm the top band sits evenly without rolling or cutting into the skin. Re-inspect the heel and seams to ensure no twisting occurred. For care, hand wash in warm water and air dry flat to preserve elasticity. Replace compression stockings every 3 to 6 months or sooner if damaged.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.